Why is the US spending billions on this? This is a 1,000-acre solar farm in the California desert. It cost a staggering $1.2 billion to build. But how much money does it actually make every single day? Before making a single cent, the expenses are insane. A single commercial solar panel costs around $200. Multiply that by 1 million panels, that's $200 million just for the glass. Add the land, the grid connections, and specialized labor, and you already have $1 billion in the hole. But once the sun hits these panels, the money machine turns on. This facility pumps out roughly 250 megawatts of electricity. In the US, that's enough to power nearly 100,000 homes. Selling that clean energy back to the power grid generates an average of $150,000 every single day. Worth it? That means it takes less than 25 years to pay off the entire $1.2 billion bill, and after that, it's pure profit. Would you invest in this? Drop a comment and subscribe for more.